Chief also offers a bracket system that allows us to use our structural holding system on other types of pulling devices that do not have the rectangular holes in the deck. This allows us to use this bracket, depending on the tread width, to mount to the inside. It goes over the top, locks into the inside, locks into the outside of the tread width, giving us a base to mount the structural holding to on any type of system that does not have the rectangular holes on the deck. Once we've installed our tread bracket, we're now going to install our base to allow us to use a structural holding on this type of device. We're going to grab the short tube to go into the base. With this, we're going to add an extension adapter, a short extension, the top plate with the locking wing nut, thread that in, drop this down into our base, slide our base up to our bracket. Then we still have the flexibility of shifting our bracket over to help line up. So we have complete movement inward, outward, front to rear. We're going to bring up 3 bolts and lock the bracket to our top mount. Snug these bolts up. Okay, once we've locked this into place, we're going to bring down the wing nut. This will lock down the anchoring system. Then we'll just need to tighten up the bolts on the tread bracket. This will lock down the bracket to the deck. Okay, this base that we have for our competitive equipment can also be used on the deck if you just have a round hole or a slotted track that runs along the deck. What we have is we've got a guide underneath with a slot. We'll put a plate on the inside. This allows us to run a bolt through the deck into the plate. We can lock this in variable positions along the deck. Once it's bolted up, it gives us movement to allow us to position this in different directions depending on where we need to hold the vehicle.